beautiful people, I hope you guys are all doing well. So today, as the title would suggest, I'm gonna do an entire makeup tutorial, get ready with me, speaking Wolof. So I come from the smiling coast of the Gambia. Well, actually I'm from the Gambia and from Senegal as well. My mom's Gambian and my dad is Senegalese. But today I'm gonna do my entire makeup. So this makeup look that you're seeing right now, which is kind of like my everyday, I'm doing it all in Wolof, which is spoken in the Gambia, and it's spoken in Senegal as well. So I've just done the video and now I'm doing the introduction. I'm just gonna tell you now, I tried. It was a bit tragic, but I tried. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get started. Oh, assalamu alaikum mbokk yi. Maa ngi sant Yàlla. Maa ngi gërëm suma mbokk yi si Gambia. Ma gërëm suma mbokk yi Senegal. Suma yéen ñëpp maa ngi laa gërëm. Wow. Okay, so tey dama defar suma makeup bi waaye dama wax si olof. Baalal ma suma olof bi setut. Suma maas yi dañ dee wax ne ma dam dee wax olof mel ni tubaab. So su ma waxee anything ba pare mu wrong, baalal ma. Okay? Okay. Defar naa suma eyebrow bi ba pare. Dama bëgg video bi mu gaaw parce que man dama war a dem fena. So bëgguma mu long. So loolu mooy tax man def naa suma eyebrow bi ba pare off camera. So léegi dama dem si suma primer bi. Pour tey suma primer dama use B from YSL. Bi mooy nekk seen all hours primer. Primer bi dafa baax. Dafa nekk primer bu baax a baax. So amee oily skin, man xawma, I don't know how to say that in Wolof. So amee skin bu oily. Lii mooy nekk sa warsak. Wait, can I say that? That's a bit over exaggerative. Lii mooy wow, lii dafa nekk sa xarit because dafa baax. Primer bi I'm tired already. So bëgg use primer bi, instruction bi dafa wax ne danga ko war a def nii, shake. Yeah. So dama ko shake ba pare ma distribute I even don't know how to speak English now. Wow. Ma def ko si suma kanam. I'm not Bena, is it picture? Bena picture fee. Disregard it. Tay dama def makeup bu M. Parce que dama dem liggéey, so buguma makeup bu. Suma foundation bi tay dama use from YSL. Dama use sen Toujours Éclat foundation. Foundation bi mo nekk suma favorite. Dam ko dey use lu bari dam ko buga. Foundation bu baax la. So ko dey apply it. Dafa mel ni dafa rouge, red. Wow, dafa mel ni dafa red. Why? Dina mattify, and then it's gonna mattify and then it's gonna look nice. Oh, also, so gisee dama haul si direction bi suma mirror bi dafa nekk foofu. Loolu mooy tax maa ngi haul fii. Léegi dama dem si suma eyes yi dama, like I said before, dama def lu M, lu simple, lu M. So because man dama dey oily eyelids and oily forehead and T-zone, dama use suma Black Opal Deluxe Finishing Powder. Lii dafa baax pour, once again, what's the word for oil in Wolof? I know it and it's just not coming to mind. Dew. Wow. Yeah, but that's cream. Anyway. Lila use. We dafa nekk loose powder. Bi tamit dafa baax so amee oily skin. So to make sure ne suma makeup bi mu last all day, dama dey use B. Suma yaay su gisee video bi daf ma xas parce que dafa wax ne yow Michelle, yow mënuloo wax simple Wolof pour video bi yaa ngi struggle. I'm not struggling, maa ngi try efforts. Wow. So pare naa si boobu dama use suma MAC i blush la in raizin. Dam ko sweep si suma eye bi parce que la wax maa ngi wax parce que too many times but parce que it's not Wolof, it's French. Dam ko bale. No, bale is sweeping the floor. Anyway, dam ko sweep bale. Wow, dam ko def fii and movement mi dafa mel ni maa ngi bale. Man xawma ban type of Wolof lila. Why? Like I said, man get try. Manko bale or manko sweep, manko sweep si suma eyelid. But the color bi dafa subtle, dafa really simple. Munulo ko gissa. Why lolo la buga? Like I said, man dama buga def makeup bu M. Buguma makeup bu loud, bu yuhu. Wow. So manko sweep bale manko bale bu baaxa gis nga bobu nge blend bale a blend. Wow. Okay, léegi dama use suma Juvia's Place Magic Palette. So nekk a makeup artist or anything bu mel ni loolu danga war a am palette bi si sa kit. So demee si sa client yi ñu gis nga yow danga am palette bi dinañ la jox xaalis bu bari. So palette bu baax la ba pare. Wow. So nekk a makeup artist danga ko war a am. Loolu mooy suma advice. dama jël color bi dafa tuddu Borono dam ko def si suma in eye teardrop corner fi man suma dee def suma makeup bi dama like pour ma highlight area bi because dafa mel ni suma eyes ñu grow. Dama jëlaat suma blending blush bi ma blend color boobu déedéet du blend dama bale clone bale a blend waaw baax na em na dama defar eyeliner bi nekkut suma normal eyeliner bi dama ko fàtte si airport bi so dama jënd bi dafa nekk Maybelline New York Master Ink matte waterproof eyeliner dama ko use tey rek waaye suma normal eyeliner bi dama ko dee jënd from Remo London waaw man suma dee defar eyeliner dama bëgg a concentrate si eyeliner bi because soo dee defar eyeliner it can either go bu baax or mu go bu bon. So pare naa si suma eyeliner bi like I said eyeliner bi man safuma like ma ko so léegi dama dem si suma mascara man duma dee defar fake eyelashes dama ko dee defar pour other people waaye pour man like ma ko unless dama dem si xew or anything like that dama def suma top eyelashes first suma defee suma concealer then dinaa def suma under eyelashes bëgguma eyelash bu nekk si suuf smudge suma under eye concealer dama use Maybelline Fit Me Concealer juróom benn hey no I'm not even gonna get into trying to do numbers 35 60 dama def 35 because 35 dafa xees pour man waaye man dam ko def si kaw ba pare bi bu dark dam ko def si suuf because dama bëgg suma concealer mu am gradient so suma ko def dinga ko gis I think loolu mooy best thing bi man for suma concealer dam ko dee apply using suma loxo yi ba pare bi tamit am naa tutorial si suma channel bi soo bëggee gis naka laa dee ko def nii in more detail dinaa def video boobu si kaw si eye bi and si video boobu wax naa tamit lu tax man ko dee def nii ba pare ma jël suma foundation brush bi ma dab lu tuuti so mu blend bale a blend waaw gis nga loolu neex na nice na it's more about the skin no that's not Wolof léegi dama dem set suma under eye concealer bi pour loolu dama joxe suma Sacha buttercup setting powder in ak suma Black Opal Deluxe finishing oil control formula powder in medium dama joxe bi abi because dama like color bi and pour man less is more dama dee start lu tuuti ba pare ma def lu rëy maa ngi mel ni benn zimba waaw zimba laa mel xool ma ak suma léegi dama jël beneen blending blush bu set and dam ko dust off ba pare dama jël beneen brush just to bale a blend that's my new saying pour suma contour bi dama demaat si beneen Juvia's Place blush palette pour guys dégga maa ngi try pare na bëgg ma dem liggéeyi sax dama bëgg a jox nelaw because lii dama taay waaw loolu déedéet deyuma astafurlah deyuma dama taay loolu laa bëgg a wax dama taay waaw like I said dama use color bi pour suma contour so dee def contour danga war a def sa kanam mu mel ni jën ceebu jën no jën is fish jën face fish face waaw soo bëggee sa contour mu mel ni paaka mu mel ni dangaa dam paaka si kenn dangaa def sa kanam mu mel ni jën nii ba pare danga war a contour sa bakkan bi tamit sa bakkan mu mel ni paaka ne cum soo defee sa makeup bi mu mel ni lii dangaa rafet danga am jëkkër fast ba pare ma jël beneen blending brush pour blend boobu color bu ma use si suma eye bi dama use because blush color bi la so dama ko use pour blush I'm even messing up my English wow ba pare soo dee def sa blush léegi danga war a xaxataay mooy laugh danga smile soo defee sa makeup bi nii yow sa jëkkër soo amutee jëkkër bi dina ñëw inshallah sa jëkkër bi tam mu am fula fayda waaw so dama dem si suma highlight shine bright like a diamond pour highlight dama dee use eyeshadow because dam ko like it's from KIKO Milano makeup color 208 la so pour highlight dam ko def fii si suma bakkan bi ba pare si kaw suma lamin is this my lamin isn't lamin a name lamin dam ko def fii tamit baax na xoolal highlight bi léegi dam ko blend bale a blend ok so léegi man dama dee bugg a blend bu baax a baax parce que bëgguma suma makeup bi mu mel ni picc pat so dam ko blend using some blush brush. So buget tamit munga def highlight fi why man duma de def highlight for baski man dam de oily skin. Pour suma list color no, net this colonge is perfume, did it? Pour suma rouge. I know that's not the word, but so line na suma lip be dama dem si rouge be. Pour suma setting powder be dam de use sleek contour palette be dafa nek si dark shade dark dama use color be pour suma setting powder parce que dam ko like. So pare sa makeup be danga use setting spray pour set yep. Wow, legi pare na. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was entertaining. If you're not Gambian or you don't speak Wolof, I hope you got a little insight into my language. I do really like my language. I promise you, I can speak it much better than I have been in this video, but I am a bit cautious. I think I'm a bit nervous because I'm speaking it on video, and like I said, I said it in Wolof, but basically a lot of my peers and some of my family say that I speak Wolof with like a white person's accent, so that's why sometimes when I speak it, I'm a bit like cautious, but I did try, and I hope it was funny. Some bits I was laughing at myself. I've seen a lot of my Nigerian sisters do these videos, so makeup tutorial in Yoruba or Igbo, and I've seen even some people do it in other country languages, so I just thought I wanted to do it in one of my country languages as well. I'm gonna have to cut out a lot of this video because I was just laughing thinking, wow, this is just tragic, absolutely tragic. Michelle, wow, I can't even say my own name now. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are not currently subscribed, then come press the subscribe button. You've gone until the end of this video, so I'm gonna presume you like this video and you like me. And make sure you have your post notifications turned on for me as well, because my upload schedule is a tad bit irregular, but like I said, I am working on it. Manko improve. Press that subscribe button there. So I hope you have a good morning, evening or afternoon. And actually, if you like this video, if this video gets to how many, like, actually, do you know what, I've only just started getting back into a regular flow of YouTube and getting my engagement back up, so let me humble myself. Comment in the comment section below if you guys would like to see a get ready with me in French, which is what my other country, Senegal, speaks. Oh, that video is going to be harder than this one, oh my lord. But yeah, if you guys want to see that video, put a comment in the comment section below and I might just do that video as well. So I hope you have a good morning, evening, afternoon, or whatever time you watch this video, and I will see you all in my next video. Oh, and if you like this video, then I think you're also gonna like this video, which I'm gonna put here. Like I said before, you've got to the end of this video, so I think you should just watch that one as well. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.